Blasting the fat around your belly might be a little easier than you ever realized. When it comes to getting rid of those stubborn pounds, a new body contouring system could help to do that. Chris Bailey is a director of Skinnovative and is here to show us how this works. So glad you're with us this morning. This is one of the only ones in the country. We're lucky to have it right here in Houston, it sounds like.
It's one of the first 5 in the country, the first one in Texas. It's the new Exilis body shaping device that we're using for body contouring, cellulite reduction, and skin tightening.
Well, let's go on ahead and get this started. We can give our viewers an idea of what happens. And the patient had this done on Friday, I believe, for the first time. Is that correct?
She did. She had her first treatment on Friday, and when she came in this morning, she said she had seen a difference already. So.
Wow. And this is after having 3 babies,
yes.
Right?
Yes.
Explain to us what you feel right now as this is being rubbed over your abdomen.
Just a slight warming. That's about it. No discomfort at all.
And you really could tell a difference after 1 treatment.
Yes, I waited 2 days just to make sure it wasn't a figment of my imagination, and I actually went to my husband yesterday, and he could tell a big difference as well.
So if the hubby's seeing a difference, you know, there probably is a difference. Can you really see the difference that quickly on most patients?
Yeah, that's one of the nice advantages to this machine is that, you know, there's a lot of non-invasive techniques on the market, but this one actually works much faster. It takes fewer treatments, and most people are seeing a difference after 1 or 2 treatments.
And how many treatments ideally? Because so many of them, it seems like sometimes you even have to go back 15 times.
Right. And with this treatment, the recommended protocol is only 4 treatments, and we've seen anywhere from 1 to 6 inches of circumference loss in 4 treatments. So
how can that be? What is happening where she could tell an immediate difference?
So some of it is the way this device delivers energy is a little bit unique in that it's targeting that fat layer much more efficiently than many other machines, and so it's sending heat down anywhere from 1 to 3 centimeters. And that as that heats up those fat cells, it causes the fatty acids to come out and shrink those fat cells. It's also over time getting some collagen contraction, and so we're getting a skin tightening effect also.
And again, do you just feel sort of a warming
Just
feel?
a nice massage right now.
Really? And that's it. And what body parts do you do this procedure on?
So this is any body part really. We're using it for those stubborn areas that, you know, we talk to people every day that say, I go to the gym, I try to eat right, but I just have this area on my stomach or my hips or my thighs that I just can't seem to get rid of. And so the nice thing with this treatment is, I don't know if you can see the little grid on Deanna's stomach, but we're able to treat about a 5-inch by 7-inch area at a time. And so because we treat such small areas, we're able to really customize the treatment so that we can do anywhere from 1 to 8 zones in a session. That allows us to treat maybe on the abdomen, the love handles, inner thighs, outer thighs, saddlebags, all those problem areas that we have.
In just a matter of minutes, really, it sounds like.
Right. It takes about 4.5 minutes to treat each zone, so the treatment's very short. Even if we do 8 zones, you know, we're done in about 40 minutes.
And then how much time do they need to allow in between each treatment?
About 7 to 10 days.
Okay, so this is going to take about a month, probably, to get exactly what you're looking for. But again, this isn't for somebody who's morbidly obese or very overweight. It's for someone who is at a healthy weight and they just want to tighten up those trouble spots.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, if people are, you know, many people are 20 to 30 pounds overweight, and they're great candidates. If someone needs to lose 50 or 60 pounds, they probably need to go on a weight loss program before they would do something like this.
Now, is it affordable? Because, you know, times are tight for people right now. Is this something people are going to be able to afford?
They are, and this has been probably about half the price of some of the competing technologies. Depending on how many zones someone has treated, it can range from about $900 up to a couple $1,000s.
Okay, but again, much more affordable than some of the other ones, or certainly more than plastic surgery,
Absolutely.
I would say. Well, thanks for coming in, and we hope you get your results that you want. Thanks for showing us your belly. You sure are brave, and you look very toned after 3 babies. Good to talk to you.